Scott.
Yes.
Do you know what day it is today?
Launch day?
Yes, I'm glad you knew that. What time is it?
It is 10:50.
What time are we launching?
Noon.
How much more work do we have to do?
Not a lot.
Okay, that's good. We stopped working at like 9:30 last night, and we are super close. Scott has a couple pictures to edit from some last-minute tweaks we decided to make. I'm basically here to, I don't know, record Scott's reaction. But this is going to be happening soon. Right now, we are at exactly 70 followers in our campaign. I think our previous best was around 35 for the Not For Climbing Carabiner. I don't remember what the coins were. But, I mean, if we could do double the Not For Climbing Carabiner, we will be golden. I don't know if we're going to get quite as high of a conversion rate on these because the Not So Tactical Carabiner is a little bit more expensive. And I'm not sure if people are expecting that. We'll see. I'm hoping that it'll be a bigger I'm hoping that it'll be a bigger campaign than the Not For Climbing Carabiner. But I mean, at this point, we have no way of telling. All right, Scott, what are your predictions for this campaign? Like total net or gross sales?
Predictions?
Yeah, what's your prediction?
Positively, like 45.
45? I'm going to go with... That's really good. I was going to go with 40.
Yeah.
So for context, 30 is we're fine. 50 is we can do design the everything sustainably forever, as long as we do 50 every Kickstarter. So below 30, we're probably going out of business. 50 or above, we're doing great. Anywhere in between is different levels of, but we'll probably be fine. All right, what are your predictions for end of day today?
Oh, I don't know. I don't even know how the Not For Climbing did.
I don't remember either.
I'm hoping for funded. If not today, then tomorrow.
Our goal was much higher on this one. On the Not For Climbing, our goal was like 3,000, and our goal on this one is like 8,000. I think we are going to hit $11,111 today. That is my prediction.
Okay.
What is your prediction?
I guess I'll say 9,500.
9,500. Are we doing Price is Right rules?
Sure.
Okay. Price is Right rules. I'm going with 11111. Scott is going with 9,500. We will know before the end of this video.
That's true.
We won't know about the end of the campaign, obviously. So we're at an hour to launch, and Scott has just proposed that we make the hardest gift that is possible for us to make.
Yeah.
Why didn't we get that proposal on camera?
Because you have the camera?
I guess we're gonna go do that now. You guys want to know something cool? This is us with the notify me on launch thingy. We are the only carabiner actively on Kickstarter right now, which I assume is a good thing. If someone comes looking for a carabiner, we're the only option. They can't be bad. Either that or all of them know something that we don't. Something else is interesting. Here is the Not For Climbing carabiner. Then there was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's us again. So there's only 4 carabiners between us and the Not For Climbing carabiner. And did all of them succeed? And all of them succeeded, which is interesting. Some of them are smaller. Some of them are bigger. Actually, are any bigger? That one was 17. That one was 11. This one was huge, right? Yeah, this one was 100,000 Canadian. This one was 38 Australian. So if we could be more like that 100,000 one, that would be cool. But the fact that all of them have succeeded is a little bit reassuring. So do you know what actually the worst thing that could happen is? It's if we do like $12,000 or $15,000. Because then that's not enough for us, but we still make the carabiners. I don't know what we would do if we did like if the campaign succeeded, but it was a mild success. That's worst case scenario. I think anything over 20, we're fine. Between 10 and 20, we're in big trouble. But that's not going to happen. That's not going to happen. I'm not panicking. You're panicking. We are at T-minus 40 minutes, and we have decided that we need another picture now. So I'm going to go do that so Scott can edit it. There's 15 minutes left, and I don't know what to do with myself. Scott is over there busily working. but I can only get in his way at this point. Hey, Scott. It's time.
Okay.
Come press the button with me. Are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, launch!
There we
Ah! All right, it's been done. Technically, we're 2 minutes early because I'm impatient. But I figured it might take a while for it to, like... You think anyone's bought anything yet?
No.
$0. $0. $0. Who do you think is going to be the first person to do it?
That's what I was going to say. I do want to know who's going to be first.
I wonder how long it takes to notify people. Like, the email's got to go through the email system. As emails do.
Kickstarter notifications, though.
Kickstarter notifications are slow, too. Is anybody going to buy a Carabiner? Guys, you've had 30 seconds. Does nobody care about us? No, I hit refresh and now it says 0 again. Come back. Aha! $79. Who was the first person? I'm not going to show the screen for this. No names. BS. Thank you, BS. What did they buy? What did they buy? Hey, Dilly Jackson. Thank you, Proteum Machining. We're at 123, 1% of the way there. I still want to know what that first person ordered. They ordered a super early bird plus an extra core. Oh, that's right, because then they get 2 carabiners.
Yeah.
Okay. We're at $640. 782. Every time I yell the dollar value at the screen, Scott's over there like, yay. Great. Thanks for your enthusiasm. 932.
AJ just went,
Because we're at 932. We're over 10% of the way there, and it has been 12 minutes. Well, 14 minutes because I was impatient and launched 2 minutes early. Anything else we come up with between now and then?
Yeah.
I'm kind of leaning more towards knife and giving the carabiner some time to breathe. And then our next one after this can be the next carabiner.
Mm-hmm.
It's too bad we missed getting Gen Con booth.
Yeah.
Because then we could have spent all this time just developing things for Gen Con.
If we really want to do that, we can do it for next year.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. We need to basically do it now.
Well, if we're developing Gen Con specific products, for sure.
Okay, well, do we know what we need to do?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm burnt out.
It's Thursday and I won't be here tomorrow. I'm kind of bummed we didn't do the GIF, but
I mean, we can knock it out.
yeah, even if we just got the images, that would be nice.
Alright, let's knock that out.
Because then I could do it. Yeah, and I legitimately think it fills a hole.
Yeah, I don't think you're wrong. I agree with you. I'm just tired.
I know.
What
What was that?
I think I got that on camera. I tried to slide backwards in this. These tiles are only secured at, I think, one corner. And I pushed on the wrong corner.